Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu, skip to my Lou. Lulu, skip to Lou. Skip to Lou, my darling. Hey guys, it's DJ Girl, and today we are playing Paper Tycoon. They have a little doll right here, which is going to help us. And she is actually not a good baby. I'm just joking. She actually is gooder than my cousin. I don't want him to be mad at me, but he is good. And it's my little Polly. I record. I think I just saw a fan. Okay. She's going to be playing with us. She's not the real Roblox, but she is going to play with us today.
We'll get another one too.
So, let's load a game. Let's do Elmo's Surprise Land. I haven't been in a long time. So here are my instructions. I have a lot of instructions. Ready, set, here it is. So I'm having fun. Elmo's Surprise Land. There's 1 full star, but 0 thumbs ups. But look at my crystal right here. I didn't finish this. Shh, I didn't actually finish this. I did it. I'm not joking. I didn't finish it. So let's go over here. If you want to leave here, that's okay. It's okay. I don't really care a lot. I don't really care. It just matters that you just have fun. Am I right? I'm right? It's just fun to have fun. Just one. Then let's turn. Turn. I need more money. Wait, how much money do I have? Wait. I don't have a lot of money, so I don't have a lot. So I get to have fun. Yay! I'll be right back. So we're gonna play a fun game, which I really, really love. I'm not wearing my glasses today. Sorry. Put my thing right here. So, oh yay! I go straight. Just like I go straight. Because I don't have enough, but you know what? I'm gonna make it fun. So boring, horrible game. I don't want to make it super bad. No, I have no real choice to go this way. Oh, wait. If I go this way, I can turn, I can go there. But I think I want to go straight. Or I can't do it.
Summer camp final payment.
Remove there. Okay, 5 more. This is a lot of money, guys. It's gonna So take it a little while. Take it a little while. Take it a little while. Wait. So it's gonna be fun. My baby fell. Oh, come here, baby. Come here. Baby's right here. I'm gonna take off her crown. She's not a princess. She's wearing a fancy ball gown. She doesn't have a crown. If she had a crown, then she was a real princess. That was not fun. Aw, Smiley. She is so cute. Look. Hey, come back here. that's what happens. You like each other. Like each other. Erase. Remove. What? No! Remove. There we go. Let's put it straight. Turn. Ah! There. Yes! Yeah! These are finished. Oh, these are finished. Yay. Everyone's gonna love this ride. If you want to get off right over there, I don't care. You know what? I'm not gonna do that. Don't mind the stop. Don't mind. So, let's actually... Okay, I'm finished. They can get off 2 spots, but they can't get off there. It's a little hard. I'm gonna build my entrance here. My exit here. Here we go. Okay, let's just go. Let me get on one. Wait, first I need to build this. I almost forgot. What? Oh, I'm gonna color this. I'll make it cute. Oh, I can't select color. I'm gonna choose pink. Yes. Default.
The pictures of the buildings.
Okay, this is gonna be fun. Let's choose this chocolate thingy.
$4,000?
Wait.
That's really nice. Yeah, we want to sit. And then I just told her we're going to
There we go.
so you then
Sit down.
over here on the right side of the facing that way.
F. Start F.
So we bench with baskets underneath. And then
So let's go and do something big. Let's go and test the ride. So we won't need to do it later.
Shelves for baskets like there. Other stuff that I don't need to get to immediately. shower.
I made a little creativity.
He said his dad was so nice. So, probably taking my text messages away. Towards you. He's like, you and Stephanie are the nicest people.
Aww.
I appreciate that. I just he's like, you need to say what you need to say. I was like, I know, but I don't want to come across as being a jerk. I'm just expressing frustration to you to pass on. It's not frustration to you. And he said, oh, I understand. We're gonna do the thing on the shower door. He said it'll definitely make it more stable. They're gonna do the posts around the yard.
Are they gonna put the bracket on the other piece too?
Yeah, so it'll
Okay.
just like a model. Just like a model.
Usually that other little piece of glass.
I know, and you know in the model.
Because they have a wall there.
Oh no, they have three. They have a door and 2 pieces of glass, but the door is in the middle. So the 2 pieces of glass on the side are very they're evenly spaced.
No,
And he said, Brett said that, since the model was built, they changed and they're putting a bigger piece of glass.
let's see what he.
And he said, don't give up on me.
But that's not what I'm talking about. So, ours is different. They have this wall here. Ours doesn't have a wall there.
Oh yeah?
No. So the wall stops here and you have glass here. And the door is in the middle. So they're going to put the brace over there and over the wall piece?
All over the place. I guess over the whole thing.
Okay. I'm just saying. I just want to make sure you know that there's.
But it's continuous.
Okay, yeah, it looks like it. Yeah, so
Or
it looks like it'll go right over the door too. Okay, so that's cool. That's fine. Okay.
And he said, don't give up on me. I'm still working on that garage floor. I think we're going to get something done for you. But if you can't get it done, then, I know you're trying hard. He's like, I went around, saw that there was a lot more problems than just what you described. I fixed everything. Come back Monday, get some more stuff. Right? Good, yeah.
Nice things to do that.
Yeah.
It'd be nice. Sometimes get you places. I like to hear that.
He's like, I'm the lowest man in the totem pole and I'm working hard for it. I was like, you shouldn't be. You higher up because you're.
Is an amazing artist, and I thought today would be a good day to use our brainstorm about some ideas for the Ramsey master bedroom. So I've got this project, the house is the Ramsey house, and in their bedroom, the style is like Scandinavian, modern, Moroccan. Oh, that's it. Cool. So the bed, I'm going to do more of a Moroccan style, with low to the ground, really clean and simple.
Bye guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I know you've been waiting a long time, but I can't handle it anymore. So bye, have a nice day.
Yeah, man.